back to my channel. Today I thought I'll show you what I bought from Walmart. You guys seem like you've been really enjoying my Walmart hauls, so it's not that big, but I said why not make a video and just show you. Maybe you've been eyeing these items and you want to see them, or you haven't seen them at your Walmart yet and it gives you an idea. The reason why I went to Walmart is because I needed some new pants and some new shirts because it's becoming summer and I just needed some new clothing. And Walmart has this brand called Terra Sky. And I really enjoy their clothing because a lot of clothing companies, obviously because I'm a plus size girl or a big girl, whatever you want to call them, plus size, curvy, I just say plus size. Whatever terminology you want to say, I'm just going to say plus size. But anyways, so Walmart, I guess, just started getting this brand maybe 2 years ago. And I've been really enjoying it. Because most brands for curvy girls, I think they just add on extra material. They actually don't have models that have different body types, I feel like. So when Walmart came out with this, I was like, yes, finally Walmart came out with some clothing that would actually fit me and fits me good, has different types of body types. You know, I feel like they've done that as a Terra Sky, at least. Not Walmart, but Terra Sky actually took different size models and, you know, I don't know how to explain it. I just feel like that's what they did. So yeah, that's why I went to Walmart to get some clothes. I picked some extra things up that I needed also, so I'll show you that, but I'm going to show you the clothing first. So first things first, I got some shorts. I thought they were really cute. It has the hemline right here. There's no zipper, there's no buttons to cut in you, and they're really comfortable. They used to not come, like she had this style last year, and they didn't come with pockets. And they were I liked them because they were comfortable, but they kind of looked like a little granny-ish type. And I was like, but they were so comfortable and it was worth it to me. So I bought them anyways. But when I saw that it finally comes with pockets in the back, I was like, yes, finally. Somebody must have told her. They must have had something. I don't know, but I was so excited. So I was like, yes. They don't look like Grammy panties, or they don't look like Grammy pants anymore. And you should pick yourself some up if you're like me. I'm sure they have size 14 or size 12, I think. But I don't know. But anyways, they were $14.97. Not bad. And they have pockets up front. They're really deep. So if you don't want to carry anything, if you're one of those type of people that don't like to carry purses, they're really deep to hold your wallet or keys or phone or whatever. In my last Walmart haul, you've seen that I bought camo shorts. Well, I found them in brown. These things, okay, I wore the camo the other day and they are so comfortable. They're like cargo shorts and they have pockets. Their pockets are really deep also. And if you want them a little tighter, it has a string where it gets tighter, but it also has a little, I feel like as a curvy girl, it's really hard to find these type of shorts for at least my size. And I found them and they're comfortable. I feel like I want to get one more pair of the brown, even though I have them in the brown. I'm one of those type of girls. Once I find the clothes that fit me, I will pick at least 2 or 3 of those pants to last me. I'm just one of those. Let me know if you're one of those, because I am one of those people. But for summer, it's perfect. I don't know where you live, but I live where it's really hot. It's like in the hundreds or in the 90s, and then the humidity makes it feel like it's in the hundreds. So very lightweight. That's why I want to pick up another brown one, because they're just so lightweight and I feel like they're perfect. Now, I hope they wash good. I haven't tried out the washing, so maybe before I buy another one, I should check out to see how they wash. but they are so my favorite right now. Then I found these in the clearance. They're like a stretchy material, like a loungewear. It's by Terra Sky. It has pockets in the back. I thought it was really cute. A string right here. You'll never guess how much these were. Oh, the cargo pants were $14.97 also. Not bad. I feel like that's really good for the price. I got them for $3. You see that? $3. Oh my gosh. I couldn't pass them up. Even if I don't wear them out and about, $3. I mean, it seems like I'm also into this color right now. As you can see, the shirt that I bought is this color, but it's just comfortable. And I don't know. I tried them on and they're really comfortable. If you can go to your Walmart now and they have it and they have your size, I would pick them up. Even if you just lounge around in the house, I would pick them up. And then this is the last thing with the clothing. So this is the last thing of the clothing. Like I said, for some odd reason, I'm really enjoying this color. I don't know. I just think it's really pretty. And I like it on my skin tone. So, but anyways, Terra Sky I feel like they have really good t-shirts because the sleeves go down in here and the shirt is long enough. I find that with a lot of curvy girl clothing, like I said, I feel like they just add extra material, but I like them to be a little longer. That's just my preference. Other people might not like that, but that's what I like. And once I found this out, I went for it. I found them. I love them. They're only $5. Only $5 for a t-shirt. They have different colors. Every time a new season comes in, they always have, like for spring, they had the pastel colors. Summer, I don't know. Summer, they don't really have much summer colors. I don't know why. But they have this. I would figure this would be more of a fall color, but when fall comes out, they have all the pretty colors like that mustard yellow. I can't wait to, okay. I know that, you know, I have some new people whatever on my channel or whatever. Fall is my favorite. Fall and Christmas is my favorite time, but fall colors, they get me every time. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I can't wait because I'm going to pick me up some of these in the fall colors. And they wash really good. They don't shrink either. But I noticed with Terra Sky, certain ones, like the t-shirts, run big. So I would probably down a size, but I really like them. And let me know if you like this brand too, because I was really excited when Walmart got this, because Walmart was, for the longest, the clothing for curvy women, it wasn't good. And now Walmart's doing much better. So let me get into the stuff I needed versus stuff that, you know, I went there for. So I got some box dye. With this whole pandemic thing, I've been doing my own hair. I usually get my hair done by my friend, but with the whole pandemic, it's not possible right now. So this is L'Oreal Preference in the 7.5A medium ash blonde. That's, if you were wondering, that's the color I have in my hair right now. My roots are showing, so it's time for me to do it. This will last me, like, I haven't done this since maybe April, maybe end of March. I think I did it at the end of March. Yeah, I think I did this at the end of March, and my roots are starting to come through, so it's time. And I can't wait for her to be able to do my hair, because I'm tired of doing this. I hate doing my own hair. Plus I need a haircut, but this is what it is. This is life right now. So if I want to still look presentable, or, you know, if it's bothering me, I have to just do it. Another thing that I picked up was some body wash. This is the Old Spice Bear Glove scent. I picked this scent up for Christmas for my boyfriend, this body axe spray, or what do you want to call it, body spray. It smells so good. It was, when I saw this, I just had to pick it up for him because it just smells good. I don't know. They had other scents, but this one was my favorite. I don't even know if it's his favorite, but I like it the way it smells on him, so sorry, babe. But anyways, I like it, and I don't know. I don't know what more to say about it. I just picked it up for him and I got excited. So yeah. When I went grocery shopping last, I totally spaced out and I totally forgot to get my dog some soft food. I know, bad dog mom. But my dog is very particular, so we always give her soft food for dinner. She doesn't like hard bones. She doesn't play with toys or anything. So this is our way to spoil her. Sorry. She's down on the ground right now kicking the thing. Sorry if you saw that move. But anyways, so this is what we spoil her with, and she loves it. We mix it with her hard food, so because if we don't do that, my gosh, she chows us down and she doesn't breathe. But see, there she is. She knew I was talking about her. Hey, Mimi. Worms. You see her? Mimi, come here. Where you going? Come here. You want to say hi to everyone? You want to say hi? Everyone, this is Miss Mimi. Yeah? I think she hears, because it's kind of, oh, you got my hair. You got my hair. Oh, gosh. Okay, anyways. I think she hears because it's thundering. She doesn't like thunder, so she's going to go over there in the pillows. We call her Pretty Princess because that's what she does. She has beds all over the house, but she chooses to do that. And if you hear her doing that, it's because she has a heart condition. She is 14 years old. So, unfortunately, that's what happens. No. But so sorry that you don't like that. That's just who she is. But that's Mimi. That's my baby. Anyways, like I was saying, so this is what we give her for dinner. And you okay? So anyways, this is what we give her dinner almost every night. And this is how we spoil her. Since I'm going to be doing my hair with hair dye, I know the box size, their conditioner is actually really good. But my all-time favorite is this Keratin Protein Frizz. If they sold this in the bottle, I would buy it in a bottle. But I haven't found it in the bottle, and all I've been finding it is in the package. And at my Walmart, it's 2 for $3 at my Walmart. But I'm telling you, this thing makes my hair so soft. I mean, I have long hair, okay? My hair is like it's braided, so it's a little longer than that. But I'm telling you, this detangles, it defrizzes, it does all that, and I just love it. It's my favorite, and it also smells good. The only complaint I have is that it's in a package. Because you don't use the whole thing. I mean, if you want to use the whole thing, you can use the whole thing. But I can at least get 2 uses out of this. Maybe 3. And it just gets everywhere. It's open, it's exposed. But I don't know. It's open and it's exposed, so I don't know. I would rather in a bottle. Maybe I can cut some up and put it in a bottle, but I'm lazy and I'm not going to do that. So they have other ones for different type of texture for hair. So if you try this out or if you try the other ones out, let me know what you think. But this is my favorite. We needed some deodorant. We used the Degree. This is the Fresh Scent. Basic. Nothing to say here. Everybody knows what deodorant is. You probably have your own favorite or whatever. This is what I use, so So again, with the whole pandemic thing, I know I keep harping about it, and I know, you know, I'm sorry, but I did pick up some blackberry elderberry or black elderberry gummies. My aunt told me about this when this whole thing started, to build up your immune system. We haven't got sick, knock on wood. No, we haven't got sick, and they taste good. You take it once a day, and if it helps, it helps. If it doesn't, I mean, it doesn't hurt to try, you know. But I also heard Dr. Oz talk about it. Hopefully it's not just a hyped up thing, but everything, a little bit of everything helps, I guess, you know. It doesn't taste bad either, so it tastes like a blackberry technically. As you can see, you know, we have a dog. She's like a miniature pinscher / chihuahua mix. So she sheds. Oh my gosh, she sheds so bad. So you can see, it's actually like perfect timing. You see that she's on our pillows, right? I'm in my bedroom right now, and she's on our bed, and she's laying on our pillows like that. She gets hair everywhere. So I needed a new lint roller. It gets the hair off. That's a trick I do for dog hair if you needed a trick or whatever. So before I even bought this, and before I even did that, we would always get dog hair in our eyes. It would be all over us. Washing our sheets, you know, help, but she would always, even after I washed the sheets, she would do that again. So every time before I go to bed, I make sure that, you know, I lint roll all her hair, and it works. And this is only, I think, 98 cents at Walmart. Cheaper than Dollar Tree by a couple cents. I picked up another body wash. My favorite is the Dove. Yeah, the Dove. Because I can't really have fragrance because it breaks me out and everything. But this is what my boyfriend usually uses. But since I bought him this, I didn't know if he was going to like this. So I bought him this also. So just in case, you know. I have my bases covered just in case if he doesn't like it. And I think that's it. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.